VET token is likely to benefit massively from the Chinese government embracing the blockchain technology. Last October, the president of China Xi Jinping said that the application of the blockchain tech was going to play a crucial role in the new technological innovation and industrial transformation. In this video, we are going to take a look at a few expert predictions, technical analysis, and recent events that have the potential to push the price of Vechain higher this year. Experts' opinion on why Vechain will rise. You should watch out for what crypto expert says about your coin's future price. Even though their predictions may not be exact, they certainly impact the market. Let's take a look at some expert opinions on Vechain's future price. According to Roger Ver, also referred to as Bitcoin Jesus, and one of the most influential voices in the crypto sector, Vechain has a bright future. He argues that the platform's primary mission is to solve real-world problems and has applications serving many industries. Ver stated that, as much as he is interested in the blockchain that enables a permissionless peer-to-peer digital cash system, Vechain has some exciting ways of using them to stop counterfeit goods and make P2P permissionless markets more trustworthy. Tim Draper, a Silicon Valley legend, a renowned investor in many companies, as well as a big believer in digital currencies, joined the Vechain team early last year. This move was lauded by the Vechain Foundation, who stated that Draper and the platform has a similar vision as regards to the future of cryptocurrencies and blockchain solutions. In 2020, the price of VET is expected to be full of spikes, and if the altcoin market experiences significant bullish momentum, this could push the price of the token toward the 50 cents level. Indeed, we have seen that in 2021 the digital currency was able to reach a high of 23 cents. Everything will clearly depend on how the digital currency follows the trend led by Bitcoin. VET is now the 13th largest in the world, and it could continue growing in the coming months if the bullish market continues. The chain price news. This month has seen Vechain surge more than 100%, and for the first time since the summer of 2018. VET has broken the 200-day exponential moving average. Within the period, the coin has also managed to break a 14-month-long downward trend. The gains can be attributed to the Chinese President Xi Jinping embracing the blockchain technology. As we mentioned before, VET price is currently 10 cents and it has a market valuation of $7 billion. The price prediction and outlook for the next 3 to 6 months will be based on a conservative approach. But anything can happen with cryptocurrencies, and major price movements can happen at any point in time. Like how BNB early in 2021 went from $40 to over $500 in just a few days. Based on factors considered, our price prediction for Vechain will be from 55 cents to 40 cents. This is due to the factors explained below, including the price of Thor tokens and its use in transactions on the Vechain Thor platform. However, there are other factors to take into consideration. If the market enters a new bear trend, then we could see the coin moving downwards in the coming months. Additionally, Vechain is working with several companies, such as PwC and Salesforce, in order to offer new enterprise-level solutions to clients. Disclaimer: we are not financial advisors, and the information provided in this video should not be considered investment advice. This is for educational purposes only. We are not responsible for any decision you could make following this guide. The effect of Vechain Thor on VET price. Ultimately, many believe that the value of the VET token will come down to the value of Thor it produces. So what is the value of Thor? Well, we know that the minimum production rate is going to be 0.000 for 2 Thor per VET per day. But how much is 1 Thor worth? We're not quite sure yet. There hasn't been much Thor price action in the first 2 months, because the volume has been low. Many seem wanting to hold their Thor until volume appears to increase the price. Also, the only place it's available to trade is on the LBANK exchange. This will all change in the coming months once OceanX trading platform comes live at the end of October. OceanX will be running a Vechain Thor's blockchain platform, and holders will have the ability to convert or reinvest VTHO straight into VET, and thus increasing the VET price. This could be one of the many reasons why VET price could rebound. Demand for Thor will also increase once Vechain's enterprise partners start using the blockchain. Everyone for this moment, as the project really comes to life. Most of the enterprises are currently on testnet running testing transactions, but this will soon change. We are expecting a migration over to mainnet soon, where we will see an increasing number of transaction and smart contracts to occur before the year ends. Transactions can be monitored on Veforge. There are many other partnerships between Vechain and recognized companies in the market. For example, the Norwegian Royals have witnessed Vechain and DNVGL agreement some months ago. This is certainly bullish for the entire crypto market that is expanding on a daily basis. More transactions coming means more VET price pressure. The more transactions and smart contracts on the chain mean more VTHO will be burned. These transactions require VTHO to be used and burned. As more VTHO is burned, enterprises will need to go on the market to buy more VTHO in order to execute blockchain writing. This would thus increase the value of VTHO. If an enterprise doesn't want to go this route, it could buy VET and produce its own ETORO, a move which should see a price increase in the native coin, still boosting the value of holders. While all of this happens, Vechain is currently in talks with the Chinese government to create a new carbon ecosystem, this time with multiple participants that could take part. This would be even bigger than BYD's carbon credit application for electric vehicles. Vechain could find itself as the primary blockchain for an entire ecosystem of the tracked economy within Chinese initiatives. Vechain collaboration with Amazon Web Services. On February 18, Vechain announced that it had partnered with Amazon in a move that will see the network of the cryptocurrency grow and also boost its price in the next few months. The blockchain has launched an integrated one-click solution into the Amazon Web Services cloud that will allow many enterprises to deploy quick, compliant and secure blockchain applications. The integration will be through Vechain's blockchain as a service which was launched in 2016. The platform combines many different solutions including identify verification, NFC Plus or FID chips, enterprise services, and blockchain encryption, all of which are used to offer a completed solution. The BAS platform will now allow different businesses to build up and use their own blockchain applications even if they don't have any technicality. It will be easier for companies to run their smart contracts on the cloud. With the one-click solution, Vechain's BAS solution will utilize the OS cloud formation and enable customers to deploy just one click. This will help eliminate the cumbersome manual deployment that is associated with the emerging industry. The new collaboration was met with excitement among the Vechain community, and as of the time of writing, Vechain has gained 16% over the past 24 hours. This positive momentum is expected to continue over the next few months as Vechain establishes itself as the #1 blockchain platform. Vechain price prediction. For the VET-USDT trading pair, the analyst shows that the virtual currency is now following the same pattern as the largest virtual currencies in the market. This can be seen in how the digital currency had an uptrend that reached a price at the top of 0.8 USDT per coin, and then it was followed by a brutal market correction. Furthermore, it is also possible to see the price trading between the resistance and support areas that are shown in the chart. If the price moves upwards and reaches the resistance area, then we could see a reversal if the coin does not have a strong breakout. Instead, if the digital asset moves downwards, we might see it reaching a price per coin of $1 in the worst-case scenario.